Oh, hey!
Son, who's doing it? My neighbor's moving out, so they're getting ready to move out. Well, they're moving out already, so I don't know why I get there getting ready to move out. Starting a new thing where I wake up in the morning. Thing is, I'm gonna be vlogging whoa, mom. Vlogging Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 days in a row. Whoa.
Maths type stuff.
Before we get to all that, I just woke up. I need breakfast. I need protein. Ha! We need the protein to make. We're gonna be talking so low, cause you know, you might get slapped by your dad. Hi.
Oh, hey!
Yeah, it's working. All right, cool. Action. I suck at cooking. I'm gonna film later tonight, which will be in tomorrow's vlog. This is coming out soon, so I think it's 5:11 yet, right? Yeah, because I've been vlogging all morning. I guess Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I just wanna say I love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I almost died. Leave a comment down below. Check link in description because we have some new merch coming in. You know what I'm saying? Happy 2019. Bye.